Good morning, my little ones. One day, this farm will change our lives.
But you came with a smile. Well, I did what you planned to do.
Here you go, chickens.
I opened up my heart.
Eat
Never
up,
knew your friendship was
everyone.
a knife from the start. You call me sister, you call
Obi,
me
my
your
sister,
own.
your chickens are growing beautifully. Yes, Lolo, God has been good to me. Yes, very good.
You watch me believe, and every little secret you turn into a reason to make me believe. You quit on loving me.
You will not become richer than me, Obi.
I gave you my heart without fear. Now every memory brings a tear. Oh, then you love what I need.
Why are my chickens so quiet? No. No, my chickens! What happened to all my chickens?
I thought you came with love. I thought your heart was true. But you came with a smile while hiding what you planned to do. I opened up my home, I opened up my heart. Never knew your friendship was a knife from the start. You called me sister, you called
You
me
were
your
everything
own.
I
But
had.
behind my back, you were breaking my
I'm
home.
sorry I
You
couldn't
watched me
save you.
trust you. You watched me believe. And every
Obi,
little
my sister, who could have done this terrible thing? I don't know, Lolo. Everything I worked for is gone.
I thought you came with love. I thought your heart was true. But you came with
My
a
sister,
smile.
who could have done such a terrible thing to you? I don't know, Lolo. Everything I worked for is gone. Don't worry, Obi. I am here for
Never knew
you.
your friendship was a knife from the start. You called me sister, you called me your own. But behind my back, you were breaking my home. You watched me trust you. You watched me believe. And every little secret, you turn into a reason to make me believe.
My poor chickens. Everything I worked for is gone. Obi, don't cry. You will rise again.
Behind my back, you were breaking my home. You watched me trust you. You watched me believe. And every
Who can I
little
possibly borrow money from? I need to start again.
reason to make me believe.
Wait, Chief Okonkwo, maybe he can help me.
My what I may be do. I gave you my heart without fear. Now every memory
God, please protect me and my farm. Expose anyone who is secretly working against me. Show me the truth and give me strength to begin again. Will Chief Okonkwo really give me the money? What if he refuses to help me? What will I do? I have to try. I cannot give up now. Knock, knock.
Good morning, madam. Who are you here to see?
Good morning. I'm here to see Chief Okonkwo, please.
Wait here. Let me inform him. Chief, sir, there is a woman at the gate asking to see you.
A woman? Who is she?
She says her name is Obi.
Okay, ask her to come in.
Chief, please help me. I lost all my chickens. I need money to start again.
I can lend you the money, Obi, but I need your land papers as collateral.
My land! Chief, but I will pay back. The land is my only asset. Can you ask for something else?
Obi, the debt must be settled.
Please, Chief. Serious.
I'm on my way to my shop. If you are serious, I will wait for you to go back home and get your land documents.
Yes, I will get them now.
Good. Don't keep me waiting.
These are the only documents I have left. I pray this will be enough to save my farm. Chief, these are my land documents. Please accept them as collateral.
I will keep them safe. Here is the 200,000 naira.
Thank you, Chief. I will not disappoint you. I will repay every naira. Please, my brother, I want to buy many chicks. Can you reduce the price for me?
Madam, I can reduce it a little, but these are healthy chicks.
Please help me. I am starting my farm again.
All right, madam, since you are buying many, I will give you a better price.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. This is my new beginning. I won't give up again. I may have lost everything, but I will build again.
Don't worry, Obi. We'll make this house strong.
Thank you. This is where my new beginning starts. Welcome to your new home, my little ones. This time, I will protect you. Every day, I will keep walking. One day, this farm will become something great. After everything I lost, I am finally seeing hope again. Thank you, God. My hard work is finally bearing fruit. After everything I lost, I am finally seeing hope again. Lolo, take this. I wanted to share my harvest with you.
Thank you, Obi. You are too kind.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you. She survived again. I won't allow her to become successful. This time, everything will be finished.
Again! Why is this happening to me again? Obi!
Who keeps doing this to you?
Obi, I have come for my money.
Please, Chief! Have mercy, everything has been destroyed again. Give me more time.